Ladies and gentlemen, neighbors and friends, it is not normal when normal is unfair. How many mothers must fear for their children? How many people are denied chances because of the color of their name? This must stop. Our history shows us the cost of silence. From Emmett Till to George Floyd, from Ruby Bridges to the Little Rock Nine. Black people have been hurt for asking only to be treated equally. People like Rosa Parks, who sat down so a city could stand up. People like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and John Lewis taught us to stand up and keep fighting for justice. We will not just say inclusion. We will make it a policy. We'll make changes that matter. We'll make it a reality. First, we'll make safer communities. We'll ban dangerous moves by police, require calm down training, and make forced data public. Independent investigators will review deadly cases. Mental health responders will help when people are in crisis. Second, we'll offer a fair housing and real access to wealth. We'll test for discrimination, support affordable homes, and help first-time buyers. We'll give more city contracts to Black-owned businesses. Third, more chances for young people. We will fund pre-K, after-school courses, after-school programs, summer jobs, and apprenticeships so that every child can learn and work. Fourth, better health and cleaner neighborhoods. We will open clinics, support mothers' maternities, remove lead pipes, and bring fresh food to every area. Fifth, we will be a government that listens. Residents will help decide part of the budget, and we will show progress on a public dashboard. We will hold monthly town halls in the neighborhoods that were ignored the longest. A city can choose to repeat the past or to repair it. Let our city be one where every child feels safe and belongs. Not one more knee on a neck, not one more door closed, not on our watch. Thank you.